guys, I just filmed a chatty little get ready with me, which will be up on Valentine's Day, so very soon. If you're curious about any of this makeup, I tested out some new products, but I intentionally left something out. Can you spot what it is? It looks so strange without the brows being done. I wanted to try out this new product from Urban Decay with you guys. So this is the Brow Blade. They came out with several new brow products, but this is the one I was most curious about. So this is going to be like a first impression / tutorial sort of thing. If you do enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think of this style of video, because I don't usually do dedicated reviews, so I would appreciate some feedback. If you haven't yet already, please go ahead and subscribe. I would very much appreciate it. And if you have subscribed, thank you so very much. I will zoom you in and we will check out this product. So real quickly, the Brow Blade is $26 and there are 7 different shades. I think that's a really good shade range for starters for a brow product, but this does not come with a spoilie, so I'm just going to use my little Anastasia one. My forehead is looking very flaky. Hello, texture. And I actually just got my brows done today, so it was a good day to do this video. So I'm going to start with the little pencil side, and I'm going to use that more in my arch. And this one is in the shade Auburn. I do have some like reddish pink kind of tones in my hair, so I thought it would be appropriate. I'm just doing little strokes to get my shape, and then I will go back in with the spoilie. Just a little bit more on that top part. I am using my phone to do this, so it may not be as detailed. A little bit more down here. I'm just going to take a Q-tip. You could take concealer as well, but I'm not going to do that. I'm dying to try this ink side. This is going to be hard to do in the camera, so if I don't talk, that's why. All right, got a little bit too much there already. Ooh, no. Not super precise, but it was pretty easy to use. Like I said, I am using my camera as my mirror right now, so not super precise, but I think it is very natural looking. Maybe a slight learning curve, but it was pretty easy to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the other side very quickly. And the completed brows, I really like this product. It wasn't too hard to use. I have been using non-stop for like the past 6 months the Milk Kush Fiber Brow Gel. I can't stop using it because it's so easy. This wasn't as easy, but not hard. Like, it took those 2 steps. Wasn't too bad. I felt like it was pretty easy to use. The pencil tip was very nice. It was soft. It didn't drag across my skin, which I appreciated. It was easy to create those fine strokes. And then for the microfiber tip, that one took a little bit more getting used to. The tip was a little bit more flimsy and it was very liquidy, so it was very easy to apply too much color. That's why you saw me constantly using Q-tips, but I bet if I had a little bit more practice, I could probably make it a little bit more natural looking, but I did enjoy it. Anyway, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and let me know. I thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you soon.